Can you do this? Struggling to roll your tongue? Believe it or not, you're definitely not alone. It's a common trait that a surprising number of people share. Hey everyone, welcome back to FactBite Daily, your daily dose of amazing facts. Today, we're diving into the curious case of the tongue roll. Did you know that about a quarter of the entire world's population can't perform this seemingly simple party trick? That's right, roughly 25% of people just can't make their tongue into that classic U shape. Now, you might remember being told in science class that the ability to roll your tongue is all down to a simple, single dominant gene. If your parents could do it, you could too. Well, get ready to have your mind blown, because that's a total myth. For decades, this was the go-to example in genetics textbooks, but modern science has a very different story to tell. Recent studies from as late as 2025 have completely debunked this old idea. They show that genetics only accounts for about 50 to 70% of your ability to roll your tongue. That's a huge shift from the 100% we used to believe. So, if it's not purely your DNA, what else is going on? The other major factors are actually muscle training and early childhood habits. Think about it. When you were a baby or a toddler, you were constantly experimenting with sounds and movements with your mouth. The specific ways you learned to move your tongue back then played a huge role in developing the muscle control needed for a tongue roll. It's less about genetic destiny and more about a skill you either picked up or you didn't. And here's the ultimate proof that it's not purely genetic: identical twins. Even though they share the exact same DNA, it's quite common to find that one twin can roll their tongue while the other one can't. If it were a simple genetic trait, this would be impossible. This phenomenon is one of the strongest pieces of evidence showing that environmental factors and learned behaviors are just as important. So, does this mean if you can't roll your tongue now, you're doomed forever? Absolutely not. The great news is that many adults have successfully taught themselves how to do it with just a few days of consistent practice. It's like taking your tongue to the gym. Kids, of course, tend to learn even faster because they're natural mimics, and their muscles are still developing. Just imagine a little cartoon tongue in tiny gym shorts, doing push-ups and getting stronger until it finally achieves the perfect roll. It's all about practice and muscle memory. You can try it yourself by attempting to fold the sides of your tongue up using your fingers, and then trying to hold the shape on its own. So, what's the verdict for you? I'm genuinely curious. Drop a comment below right now and let me know if you can roll or can roll. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more daily facts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next FactBite Daily Short.